Hello students, myself Brinda Patel, Assistant Professor at Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology. Today's subject is Object Oriented Programming 1 and the topic is String Builder class. So String Builder class is used to create mutable means modifiable strings. String builder objects are like string objects except that they can be modified. So it is mutable. String builder is not synchronized, which means it is not thread safe. At any point, the length and content of the sequence can be changed through a method invocations. So here are some methods of string builder class. First one is string builder, which creates an empty string builder with the capacity of 16 characters. Second one is string builder. It creates with specified string. It creates a string builder with specified some string. String builder integer length, which provides a string builder a capacity, a length. Another one is public string builder append. To append the string, to concatenate two strings. It is used to append the specified string with the other string. The append method also overloaded like with character, boolean, integer, float and double. Another one is public string builder insert, in which integer offset and string s. Integer offset means the specified position of the string in which in that position we have to insert another string. It is used to insert the specified string with the string at the specified position. Another one is public string builder replace. In that integer start index, integer end index and integer str, which means integer start index indicate the first character or first position of the index, and integer end index is the last position of the index, and string str which provides a string. Another one is string builder delete. If we have to delete some specified characters from the string, then we are using here delete method. So integer start index and integer end index, from where we have to delete the character, and from at the end number of the character. Public string builder reverse. It is used to reverse the string. Another one is integer capacity, which returns the current capacity, current character which are stored in the string, that capacity. Public void ensure capacity, which includes integer minimum capacity. So it is used to ensure that the capacity is at least equal to the given capacity or it is more than it. Public character 8, which returns the specified position from the string. Another one is public integer length. It used to return, it gives us a length of the characters from the string. Public string substring integer begin index, which is used to return the string part specified from the begin of the index, from the start of the index. Public string substring integer begin index, integer end index, which is returned as specified from the starting of the index and the character at the end of the index. So here is the description about that all methods. So first one is string builder append method. String builder append method, it concatenates two strings. So syntax is string builder append, which includes string builder append, which includes integer number in integer form. Here is the example. So here is the class named string builder append, in which here is the string builder object created as one. In that there is this one string is Java. Second one string is S2. It has a string named program. Now we have to append S1 with S2. So S1 dot append S2. So in the result we have Java program. So S2 string is append in S1. Another one is string builder insert method. If we have to insert another string in the current string at the middle and any specified position, so we are using here insert method. Syntax is string builder, method named is insert, integer index, which is the position of the character, and string str, which is a string. Second one is integer index, defines the position of the integer, position of the character, and character ch, integer index and object. So here in the string builder insert class we have two string s1 and s2. S1 is Java. Okay, now S2 is program. If we have to put this program in the middle of the string S1, so we have to define first here index number. We have to provide the position. So which position? Here S1 equal to S1 dot insert, position is 1. So in S1 string, here the position number of j is 0, position number of a is 1, position number of v is 2. So we have to insert program at first position at 1 in string S1. So we are here giving S1 1 and S2. S2 is the string program. So in result S1 after inserting S2 at offset is 1. So the output is J program AVA. String builder class, in that replace method. So replace method replaces the given string from the specified number. The number is given by us, so specified begin index and end index. The syntax is replace integer start index and integer end index string str. Here is the example of replace method. So we have now here one string is Java is procedural programming language, another string S2 is object oriented. If we have to replace procedural by object oriented, which is string S2, so we have to use replace method. So here starting index number is 8, so we can see the position in string S1 where the position of j is 0, position number of a is 1, position number of v is 2. So here at the Java is a, so the number is a, the is 8 and it is ending at L. procedural L. So which number? That number is 18 and string is S2, object oriented. So in the result we get Java is object oriented programming language instead of Java is procedural programming language. String builder delete method. If we have to delete the character, specified character by us, so we are using here a delete method. We have to use string builder delete integer start index and integer end index. So here is the string S1 which includes Java and C++ programming. Okay, we not required here S2 string. We have to delete some characters from S1 string. So here S1 equal to S1 dot delete 4. In the fourth position in string S1 it is A, and in the 13th position in string 1 it is C++. So plus. So what we get in the output? Java programming, and in C++ is deleted. Then string builder reverse method, which is used to reverse the string. So simply we have to just provide reverse method. Here string S1 is Java, so S1 dot reverse. So what we are getting? AVAJ. Another one is string builder capacity method. So the capacity method gives us the total capacity of the string builder class, current capacity of the string builder class. Okay, so the by default capacity of the builder is 16, but if the number of characters are increased, so we have to provide more capacity. So it is defined by the formula old capacity into 2 plus 2. For example, if the current capacity is 16, so it will be 16 into 2 plus 2 equal to 34. The syntax is integer capacity method. Here is a simple example of capacity method. So public, here in the main method we have one string S1, which is Java is a programming language. We are printing here S1. Then second system.out.println length of S1, which gives us the length, total length of the characters in the string. And third one is system.out.println total capacity of S1. S1 means the S1 string, so it will return the capacity of S1 string. So S1 dot capacity. So the output will be S1, which gives us a string S1. Length of S1 is 30. And total capacity of the S1 is 46. String builder ensure capacity method. If the capacity, for example, capacity is 16, so we can enter the characters till 16. But if we have only 4 characters to insert in the string, then this method is used, which ensures that the given capacity is the minimum to the current capacity. So if it is greater than the current capacity, then it is increase the capacity by the formula old capacity into 2 plus 2. So the syntax of the capacity ensure capacity method is void ensure capacity integer capacity. So in this example we have three strings here, string builder S1, S2 and S3. First one is empty, there is no value in it. S2 has a string C++, comma, and string builder S3 has Java. So we are here print S1, which is empty, Now we have to insert the capacity of the S1. So S1 dot ensure capacity, and current capacity is given as 17. S1 dot append S2. We have to append S2 in S1. We have to also append S3 in S1. So now for the output, first one is system.out.println S1 equal to S1, which prints the current string S1. System.out.println length of the S1, the total characters of the S1, and system.out.println the capacity of the S1. So we can get the output here. S1 is empty because there is no any string there. Second output is to append. We have to append S2 into S1 and 3 into S1. So we get C++ and Java because S1 is empty. So S2 and S3 strings are there. Length of the S1 is 9 and the current capacity of the S1 is 34. So now difference between string and string buffer. So you can know as string class is immutable. We cannot modify the value of it. We cannot modify the string, but string buffer is mutable. It is modifiable. String is slow. It consumes more memory when you concatenate too many strings. For example, if we have to concatenate S1 and S2, so we cannot change the content of S1. That's why we have to create another object S2. Then we have to define a string to it, and after that we can concatenate it. So it consumes so many memories, and every time it creates a new instance. String buffer is fast and consumes less memory because it has a append method. String class overrides the equals method of object class, so you can compare the content of two strings by equal method. And in string buffer class, it doesn't override the equals method of the object class. Now here is the difference of string buffer and string builder. Both are mutable. String is synchronized. By means of that, string is a thread safe, which means it has a two threads, so it can't call the methods of string buffer simultaneously, right? And in string builder it is non-synchronized, so it is not thread safe. String buffer is less efficient than string buffer, and string builder is more efficient than string buffer. Thank you.